In today's fast-paced industrial world, efficient material handling is the cornerstone of operational excellence. Every factory floor, every industrial space, every infrastructure project relies on precise, reliable and seamless movement of materials to sustain productivity and profitability. This is where the right partner makes all the difference. This is where domain expertise matters. This is where innovation converges with reliability. And this is where Akuren MHE steps in. Your trusted partner in advanced crane and material handling equipment solutions. Established in 2023, Akuren MHE set forth with a clear mission to deliver reliable, efficient and economic lifting solutions that empower industries to enhance productivity, optimize operations and drive sustainable growth. In a remarkably short span, we have emerged as a progressive force in the material handling industry, achieving our first major milestone with the successful commissioning of a 150 metric ton capacity EOT crane, a defining benchmark in heavy lift engineering. Driving this success is our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Spanning 55,000 square feet, the facility is equipped with the latest ultra-modern technologies and advanced infrastructure that enable us to design, engineer and deliver lifting solutions with scalability, precision and uncompromised performance. The facility is ISO 9001-2015 certified, reflecting our unwavering commitment to quality, consistency and process excellence. From this advanced hub, Akuren MHE delivers a comprehensive portfolio of products: hot metal crane, ladle car, EOT cranes, gantry and semi-gantry cranes, jeep cranes, transfer trolley, electric bar rope hoists and goods lifts. Each solution is engineered with an unwavering focus on safety, efficiency and customization to meet the exact needs of industries worldwide. At the core of our capabilities lies technology and innovation. With in-house engineering and R&D, digital 3D modeling and advanced manufacturing techniques, we ensure every solution is not just built for today, but future ready. Our cranes integrate VFD-driven mechanisms, anti-sway controls and wireless operations, delivering maximum uptime, enhanced safety and superior life cycle value. Every product complies with Indian and global standards, reinforcing the trust industries place in us. That trust has translated into a strong and growing clientele with industry leaders such as Reliance Industries, Jindal Steel and Power, Luby Pumps, Arvind Limited, Apollo Group and many more. Beyond India, our presence extends across global markets with successful installations in Uganda, Ghana, Nigeria and several other African nations, underscoring our position as a reliable partner in material handling on a truly international scale. As we advance into the future, Akuren MHE is steadfast in its commitment to redefining the material handling landscape by relentlessly pushing the frontiers of technology, engineering excellence, safety integration and customer-centric innovation. Our vision is to be globally recognized as the benchmark in high performance, sustainability and intelligent lifting ecosystems, transforming industrial value chains, accelerating operational efficiency and enabling scalable growth across every domain we serve. Akuren MHE, where innovation converges with reliability and efficiency, is re-engineered. Your trusted partner in end-to-end lifting solutions, powering industries of today while engineering the foundations of tomorrow. Akuren MHE, engineering strength, elevating possibilities.